Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on another epoxy injection project. Watching the bubbles. Most important thing about epoxy injection is patience. You end up putting a couple $100 worth of epoxy in this crack. Don't know what you're doing, you can blow it out the back of the wall or blow one of these ports off, lose all your epoxy. I've done thousands of these projects. You need structural repair, epoxy injection, check us out. I've got quite a few before, during, and after videos of this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link and you can watch over 2,000 videos of my projects. Got about 500 ports to go on this project. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'll see you guys on the next video.